How to refer a friend on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to easily refer a friend on Temu. So first of all, you need to open your Temu application on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the U option from the bottom of the screen, that is between categories and card option. From here, tap on Win Reward option, that is also between history and addresses. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the credits and free gifts section. You will see several options here. Choose any of them and then tap on the Start button. Look for the option that says Refer or Invite New App Users and click on it. You will be taken to a new interface where you can share your referral. You can choose to share via platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and alternatively, you can tap on Copy Link option to copy your referral code and send it to your friend, or you can tap the copy link to share a link directly. And that's it. By following the simple steps, you can successfully refer a friend on Temu. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.